Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly review. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the markets. You'll see what we did in the course of the previous week, and we're going to compare that to what we are expecting in this coming week. Yeah, I got several expectations. I have been expecting that with all the breakouts which we had in this week, that we're going to be having much more opportunities in the coming week. Okay, but some of these breakouts didn't quite play as expected, as we didn't really see the retest. The retest is what actually most times helps us in making the right decision, and so because of that we didn't quite take some entries that we should have taken. But let me just do a few review with you so you can see the reason why I didn't take entry this week, and also what I'll be expecting to do in the coming week. Let me take you straight to the chart. What I did. This was what I did. So this was the dollar index. Okay, so you can see which market prints candles like this. What's this? The candle is coming down, giving bearish confirmation, and suddenly pushes up like it's going bullish, and suddenly and it just even take out the down. This is because of the instability in the market, and that's the reason why everyone has got to watch closely. Okay, you have to watch closely this period, knowing that we are in a very different kind of market. If you're not sure of that entry, don't take it. Okay, don't take it. If the dollar index is not just giving it at all, you just look at even the JPY. Okay, it's not giving it. It's not giving it, but it's on the bullish, just in case for the coming week. It's on the bullish, and that's what we're going to be doing. For anyone who's ready to do that, that's basically it. I did also get entries on S30. So US30, you can see this wonderful spike today. I didn't get entry on US30. I did get entry on Ethereum, wonderful spike as well. I did get entry for silver. Which one again? Tesla. Did get entry on Tesla. And what else again? I think that's all for Forex, crypto, CFDs. Okay, let's just take GBPCHF. Okay, let's see. So no entries at all. Synthetics, no entries. So this is basically why I didn't take an entry. The candles are not printing as they should. The new kinds of candles being formed because of the instability in the market. But watch out for the weekly analysis. Sorry, excuse me. I'm going to be analyzing the market, and I'm going to be talking it with you. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, I hope with what you heard concerning the weekly review, you've been able to make a few adjustments if there's any for the new week. Okay, I hope you are getting ready. The weekly analysis is going to be out. Make sure you see it and make sure you learn what I will be doing in the coming week, my market directional bias and all. And with that guide, I'm very sure that you will do well in the coming week. Get ready for the weekly analysis, and also remember, I will be live 1 p.m. GMT +1 on Monday. See you soon.